This is a spanking brand new 2025. Has the new look of the gel coated cap in the front, has every new features of Winnebago Micro Mini is on it. Winnebago is one of the oldest company they make recreation vehicle. Number two, they offer high workmanship and higher quality. They're very well known for their high quality. Every movie you watch on Netflix, guess what? They have either Airstream trailers or Winnebago. Now let's show you the outside of the 2100BH, because you're gonna say, now let's get to the point. I don't want to hear a lot of talking. I want to see why this is a deal. Now I'll show you why is the deal. Number one, Winnebago offer you 3-year warranty structures. The competitor, even the one I sell in the other brands, they only give you 1 year. They give you 3-year structures, 1 year tip to tip, and 12 years on the roof. Now, another major advantage, if you look from here all the way to the front, is a fiberglass gel coated cap. And the other half, it's a black diamond in the front. Electric tongue jack. This unit at $27.99, people, they don't believe it. It's all power. And another thing, I don't need to have a handle and crank jack down. So even the front is electric, as you see in the motor. Even each corner has electric motor. So electric stabilizer jack in the front, electric stabilizer jack in the rear, and a electric front tongue jack. You come over here, they give you 200-watt solar panel already comes standard on the Winnebago, plus inverter prep. You see here, there's a battery you see over there, that's the solar panel controller. And then that box, that's where the wire, if you decide to add inverter. They give you 200-watt solar panel, plus they give you outside solar plug, in case if you want to add another solar portable one, you have a plug come with it. They give you also the preparation for 3 cameras. All other brands, they give you only 1 camera prep for the back. But Winnebago, they give you 3. 1 for the front driver side, passenger side, and the one rear. So you see here the word Furion. So all the work is done. You just have to snap this one out and put the camera here if you want. So these kind of things I want to point to you is why 2100 offer you more stuff. Now they give you off-road tires, 15-inch tires off-road, aluminum rims, and we're still in the 27.9. They give you pack and play door, so you could get your toys. So I could get my bicycle, my toys, my kids' toys, their bicycles, whatever I want to load here. Or if I have dogs, it's plenty room. So you have full access of the storage from outside and inside. And then if I'm done, I bring it down. And then I have my bed. Okay? Now, they give you a satellite hookup, cable hookup, 30 amp plug, fresh water. Now, why you need to buy Winnebago? Another reason why, they give you the ladder. All the competitor, even any brand you think, what they do, they give you ladder prep. It's called the Lippert, the black piece plastic. In the back, it's called Lippert expandable ladder. But Winnebago, no, they buy the ladder and they put it in because it's a walkable roof, and they give you the ladder. Backup camera prep in the back, spare tire with a cover, outside shower hot and cold, class 2 receivers in the back, so you decide if you want to add your bike rack, you can. Another feature, so they give you the receiver for the bike rack, they give you the 3 camera prep, they give you the ladder, off-road tires. Now, we want to stop here and see why we have 2 switches here. Everybody give you electric stabilizer. You're going to say, now, well, you know, I'm going to go buy Imagine, and they give me electric stabilizer. Okay, fine. But you need to ask the question for them. Are they giving you 2 separate switches for each corner? They're not. All of them, they give you 1 switch for both in the back. Winnebago, they pay the extra money. They give you independent. So I could lower the back in the right corner, or I could lower the back on the left corner. So I have independent switches for my electric stabilizer jack. Versus the other, only 1 switch. Now, we want to point also on the frame. If we going down here and look at the frame, we're going to see a lot of bolt in the frame. This frame is bolted. It's a B&L frame. The beauty about it, it's when you have a bolted, is always better than welding frame. Now, we're going to go down here on the axle. That's a big deal. Every trailers in the country, what they are, they're a spring leaf axle. They have tendency one day they're gonna pop a spring or a shackle broke. Where's my spring in this Winnebago? There's no spring. This is a torsion bar axle, independent axle. It's the same axle they put on Airstream. So it's a high-end quality axle on the 2100BH. So you're gonna get a smoother ride, less bouncing for your stuff inside the trailer. Coming over here, they give you everything. Notice all of them, they give you one outside shower hot and cold. But Winnebago, they give you two outside shower hot and cold in the back, plus another cold outside sprayer, so you could rinse your feet before you walk inside the trailer. They give you also TV hookup. So you have the 110, even the coax, and you could put your TV here. Beside, another advantage why I like this one is they give you a big GPL speakers outside, and they give you the Wi-Fi antenna. Slam luggage door, two switches for the electric stabilizer jack in the front, two switches for the electric stabilizer jack in the back, dark tinted windows, and they give you a big propane tank cover, as you see here, with electric tank jack. And all this features only for $27.99. Let me show you the 2100 inside. The 25 model, they're giving us solid service countertop. So this is solid service countertop with extension countertop, as you see right here. So it's a beautiful high end. And then also they're giving one-piece sink, stainless steel, rice faucet, 2-burner range, as you see right here. And then I like about what they did is they're giving cooking pan doors, brush strap, solid doors, and the modern look. It's look like contemporary, plus more storage for silver. This is a convection oven. You see right there is a convection oven microwave, so I could cook as well, use it as a microwave. Bigger AC, ducted, huge. Just to show you why you need to pick Winnebago. A feature, everybody give you a fuse box, and you're gonna walk in any trailer, you're gonna see a big brown box, and you ask the salesman what's this, and then he'll tell you the fuse box, and you will see a bunch of fuse inside. Look what they did extra. Look at this extra feature. They give you a nice cabinet to hide your fuse box, so it'll look nice rather than be like this big brown box seen everywhere. They give you a nice door to cover it, so it'll look more modern look and more nicer. These kind of things you're not going to find in the other manufacturer. That's usually why you need to get the 2100BH. Then you have a nice solid service table. Now, why I like this table is for here. Look, no legs, no hitting my knees, no I have to worry about post, no worry I have to pull a table on my back and pull two bars and then lower the table and then put the cushion. Here's what I do. Simple and easy. I just take the lock, and you see here, voila, and I push on it. So easy. Show me a unit will give you $27.99 for that price. And then I put the lock, and then that's it. Then they give you doors on both sides of the dinette, and it's accessible from inside and from this side as well on the top. So these kind of things, what I recommend you getting the 2100. Big window with the balances and shade. And then over here I have two bunk. As we said, this bunk you could access it from outside by the pack and play door. And there's upper bunk here. Each bunk has, this bunk has a window and this one has a door, and I could access the storage from inside or outside. Each bunk handle 250 pound, no issue. Going back to the kitchen, this 2100 give you 11 cubic refrigerator, 12 volt, run off the 200 watt solar panel. The solar panel is already on the roof, and this is 12 volt, separate two doors, one for freezer, one for fridge. And then look, This kind of things. This is why you say it's a quality. They give you a handle to get in the bunk. They give you a fan in the bunk area to give the breeze to the kids. Now, going to the bathroom, a beautiful porcelain toilet. This is porcelain. This is not a plastic. I mean, I'm selling a motorhome for $150,000. They give them plastic porcelain. This 2100BH has a porcelain toilet. Nice standing shower with privacy door. And now you're gonna ask me now, okay, you taking a shower, but I want to wash my hands. Okay, no problem. They give you a folding sink. I could wash my hand, and if I'm done, I just voila, close it. So it has a sink, and it has a shower, has skylight, has a fan in the bathroom, solid door, not curtains, place for towels, all of it for $27.99. Now coming here on the front, I have a nice solid bed, 2 people, inverter prep plugs. They could watch the TV from here. So while I'm laying down here, I could watch the TV, and people sitting on the dinette, they could watch the TV, and people on the bunk, they could watch the TV. Full storage. Look all the storage in the front. Deep piano hinges, hold the door by itself, you don't have to worry. Plus they give you access of the storage from the side, so you go inside or outside. These kind of features you're not gonna find at $27.99 somewhere else, only at Best RV at 2100BH. Manufacturers start giving you just a small device to do Bluetooth in your speakers. Well, guess what? They give you a speaker, a stereo, AM, FM, Bluetooth, and speakers inside and speakers outside. That's come with it. So you tell me, all these features, all these benefits, shop as much you want. Do the doubt for yourself. Online, walking to dealers. Tell them I need this kind of quality with this kind of feature, this kind of warranty, this kind of amenities, this kind of floor plan, bunk with the best sofa slide, and a bed on the front for $27.99. Brand new 25 is not exist, only at Best RV. So you need to get in your car, turn the ignition, drive to Best RV, and grab the 21.